So let's look at how to use a PLC to start and stop a motor. I'll be showing you the connection diagram. I'll also be showing you in a later video the PLC programming, and also how we can control it from a HMI, where you press button on the screen and the motor starts. So just stay tuned so you can be able to get the videos. So this diagram I have here shows the PLC connection of starting a motor. So you can see the PLC. This is a Mitsubishi PLC, and is FS2. The name is FS2N64MR. So as you can see here, this side is the input side. Here you have the S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, while the lower part is the output side. Here you also have the Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. So you need all this information when you want to program this PLC, which is what I'm going to show you in a later video. But here I just want to show you the connection diagram, how you can connect a PLC to a contactor and use it to start and control an induction motor. The PLC is being energized by a single phase supply. This is the live and this is the neutral. See the live wire and the neutral wire. And here we have the stop button, the start button. All this goes into the input side of the PLC, which are being controlled by the program that you write on the computer to tell the PLC what to do with these signals that are present at the input side. So we can see from here that the stop button is connected to this, and this is the S0. This is S0. While the start button is connected to this, and this is what? X1. So in my program, whenever I see S0, I'm referring to stop button, and whenever I see S1, I'm referring to the start button. Okay. So you wire your program in such a way that you output a signal to the contactor, because the PLC gives out a 24-volt supply. That's what PLC gives out. The output of a PLC is 24 volts. But this contactor is a single phase contactor. It needs 220 volts to energize. Because the PLC cannot give us the 220, we will not start this contactor through a relay. Since we have we can commonly get a 24 volt relay. Though there are 24 volt contactor, but it will be difficult. It's not common like the 24 volt relay. So what you do, you output the 24 volt relay to the relay. Then the relay closes to supply the single phase to the contactor. So you can see the 24 volts from the output is coming from Y0. This place is Y0. This Y0 is coming from Y0. So that is what will energize this relay. This is the base, or you call it the socket. See the relay here. This is the relay. This is the relay. This is a 24 volt relay. 24 volt relay. So you can see these are the coil energizing pins. Why these three you see here. This one is normally open to this and normally close to this. So when the relay energizes, this one, this and this, they become closed, which is what you have here. This is the coil energizing pins, which is this. These two you see here, and there, this where it extends to. It extends to. So when you connect your 24-volt supply to this relay, the relay will activate. And when it activates, you can see a single phase supply has been connected to the contacts of the relay, the normally open contacts of the relay, so that when the relay closes, it becomes closed. The normally open contacts become normally closed, so that this contactor will be able to activate. Then power can flow to the motor. So you see how it works. You see how it works. So right here, you now have your indicators to show when the motor is working and when the motor is stopped. So when the motor is working, which is this green light, is taken from this, which is a Y3. While when the motor stops, which is this, is taken from Y2. So you need this information, Y3, Y2, in the program to be able to write a program that will control this diagram. And what energizes the relay is from output of Y0. Okay, so this is how you make your connection. Then you make your connection to be able to control a 3-phase induction motor. So you can see. So in my next video, I will show you the PLC program, how you can write the program. This is a Mitsubishi PLC. So what we use to write a program for Mitsubishi PLCs, we have a software we call GS Works. We have the one we call GS Developer, but that one is an old program. So, but the one we normally use, we call it GS Work. I will show you. I will give you the details and take you around it. Then, like I told you, we also have to add a PLC, whereby you start your motor by just touching the screen. It's a screen touch, touching the screen. So that one too has a program of its own. I will also teach you how to program it and link them. So just stay tuned to my